What if one AI tool could save you hours every single week? Here are 10 ChatGPT tricks you should start using today.
First, let ChatGPT write professional emails in seconds, saving you valuable time every day. Reading long reports? ChatGPT can summarize pages of information in just a few seconds. Use ChatGPT as your personal tutor to understand difficult topics faster and easier. Content creators use ChatGPT to generate scripts, video ideas, and engaging content in minutes. The contents. Need help with Excel? ChatGPT can generate formulas, organize data, and save you hours of manual work.
Use ChatGPT to plan your day, organize tasks, and stay productive without feeling overwhelmed.
Stuck on ideas? ChatGPT helps you brainstorm business plans, products, and creative solutions in seconds. Creators use ChatGPT to write better titles, descriptions, and video ideas that save time and improve productivity.
ChatGPT isn't here to replace you. It's here to help you work smarter, save time, and unlock your full potential. Follow buzzversetv for more AI tips.